is activity time, and in activity lesson today, do you know what I'm going? This is a Sunbeam Mask. It's in Bethlehem, so I'm going to wear like this. Now, this is you're going to need a paper plate, a straw, and some piece of paper has been cut out. And if you have cut out the piece of paper, you may take out your paper plate and just fold it like this and cut inside, because we just need the outside paper plate. And you're going to need straw to stick it on this side. You see? And if your pizza has been cut off, you're going to put the pieces inside the plate.
It looks like the sun.
Yes, it looks like the sun. It's called a sunbeam. You can sing the song Sunbeam. Yes, sing it. We can sing it later. Alright. And this is a Sunbeam Mask. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Again, first you have to cut the piece of papers. Second, you have to fold like this and cut out the inside part. And third, you're going to stick the piece of paper you haven't cut out, stick it in the paper plate. And last, you have straws and you're going to stick it on this one. You see? Yes, you can see. And now that's done. Now you can begin cutting. And you cut finish, do as I say. Can we sing the song now? Yes, come here. Sorry, but I don't know the song. Me neither. You don't know the song? You sing it in the Bible time. Little town in Bethlehem. I was forgotten. Haven't you forgotten? Alright, we can sing another song, okay? Okay, another song about Bible. Okay. How about, let's see what we can sing. Oh, little town of Bethlehem. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how sweet we see the light. Oh, what a see the stars go shining by, and in the archery sky, in the everlasting light. Oh, see the stars go shining by. Woohoo! Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.